downtown Huntsville. So we are going for our last appointment. Tire change. My husband is cold.
I am.
I am now the Canadian. He's the Filipino. Nahihilo-hilo ang Kuracha kaya may pa-candy. I'm dizzy.
You're dizzy.
Yes, that's why I needed minty candy. Yippers. We are going to a place in the middle of nowhere. How is that? Oh. Bumpy road, take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Come to mama. Oh, bell. Fountain Tire, it says. There you go. Fountain Tire. Oh God. There you go.
Okay. Your name?
Peter.
Kuracha. All good now. Ready for summer. And
Done.
just like that, after 30 years, 30 minutes,
30 years. Wow.
Kuracha has her new tires. Ready for summer. Let's go. I thought it's the last destination. We still need to go to Independent and Walmart. Hello, Mom. I love you.
Tell the difference. It's not loud either, right?
Yeah. Oh, oh no, she's flying. Kuracha is flying for the summer. Hi. I love you. There we go.
There's 4 tires back there, right?
Yeah. No, one only. Charot.
There's only 3 there.
We just had a bunch of groceries last time.
I know.
I know, he said. Peace.
You want to take that? I'll be back in a second. I just got
Yeah.
to wash them, but
Okay. Okay. What you got? What you got? Ooh. Happy Mother's Day! Oh, I love this macarons. Happy Mother's Day! Apple pizzazz. Looks good. Sushi. What we got?
pastrami. There's corned beef there.
Love this. Kalamata olives. Iniwan na ako ng asawa ko. I love this. Kalamata olives pork and mix. Yes. Check it out.
PC up in the car?
Card please, babe.
Hang on. So, are you packing the stamps?
No.
I need it. It didn't work. There you go. $48.98.
Last stop, Walmart. She said it's not good color. Now it's time to go. After Walmart, time to go home. Here we come, my house. Our house. Our bahay kubo.
Friday, a nice sunny day and a high of 17. Before we get a nice sunny weekend and a high of 19 on both Saturday.
Breakfast. Here we come. We are home. Downtown, our little town, our little town. Yep. Finally, after 48 hours, we are home. We are tired, exhausted, but happy. Love everyone. Till next time.